What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm inside my car because I'm going to be changing out the AC air filter. So I got the little maintenance guide here, and Subaru recommends that you change this every 12,000 miles or every 12 months, so about once a year. I've owned this car now for like 2.5 years, and I actually have not changed mine out yet, so I'm pretty overdue. Hopefully it's not too bad. So I'll show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. Alright, so first thing you want to do, you want to open up your glove box and pretty much take out anything that's in here, because we're going to have to remove this glove box. So I got a few things in here, so let me just empty this out. Okay, so everything's clean. And actually, I got like a few leaves in there, but you know, it's a good time to clean this thing out. So the first thing you want to do is, because you want to take this out, so there is a little device over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, where I have my finger right down there. You're gonna want to pop that off. Okay, so I opened the door for a little bit of a better view. So here's the lever I'm talking about. So you just want to grab that and pop it out. Alright, so I got it out. You just want to pull on it, not too hard, and it should pop out relatively easily. Once it pops out, you can just lift it out of the way so it's no longer, you know, blocking anything.
Okay, so for this next part, I'm just going to do a quick voiceover because the mic quality became like really bad, and it started to pick up like my sleeves hitting the mic and everything. But basically what I'm doing now is you want to squeeze the sides of the glove box and then pull forward on it, and then that'll release it. So that's what I'm doing in this clip here. And then you'll see that I'll pull the glove box out.
So I popped it out, I'll lower it, and then it comes to here, and then you can just pull it out. Ooh. Let me get rid of these leaves. Alright, now that I got that out, I just close the door because it was just raining on me. So yeah, just put the glove box, you know, put it out of the way. I just put it back there. So if I come back down here, you will see, let me get a light. Alright, so once you get the glove box out, just, you know, put it out of the way. I just put it in the back seat. And then here, we have this piece here with these 4 tabs. So this is the old filter. What you want to do is you just want to squeeze on this side, and then you just want to pull it out. So let me see if I can get this light somewhere where you guys can see. Kind of. Alright. So I'm just gonna squeeze and pull out. Oh boy. So this is why you should always keep up with your maintenance, even for small items that don't seem that important. Here's my old filter. This is pretty nasty. Pretty gross. Check the bottom. Yeah, it's not better. So that's kind of disgusting. And then here's a new one. That's what it should look like. Not this. So just make sure you replace this. It's super simple. As you guys saw, you just, you know, take the glove box out, pop this piece out, put the new one in, and then you're done. So, alright. Let me get the new one and then pop it back in. Okay. So, when you put it back in, if you look at it, hold on. Let me get some light in here. I don't know if that helps. So, see where it says up? So just make sure when you put it back in, the arrow saying up, you know, is actually pointing upwards. So for me, I have to put it in this direction. Alright. So I got my up arrow pointing upwards. So now all I'm going to do is slide it back into place. And you kind of hear like a click. Look, if I pull it out. Clicks. And then you're good to go. Then you just put the glove box back in. You know, it sits on these little, I guess like hinge looking things over here. Push it back in. Put the lever back on that little joint. And then you're good to go.